I would say, ma'am, having replies on by student sites, especially through this language, it gives us a lot of amusement, right, internally. So yeah, I also use, but not of that much level. And normally I discuss about what is your name, what is your father's name.
You are visual and audible both. So first of all,
Okay, ma'am.
hello.
Yeah, hello, ma'am.
Good
How are you?
evening. Yeah, I'm pretty well. What about you?
Yeah, I'm also fantabulous, I would say.
And how's going on your day so far?
Yeah, my day is going on well, ma'am. And I would say one thing, like it's been a very long period of time I met today.
Also, I was not using and this app, and I was not talking anyone. I think 5 to 6 months after I started
Yeah.
again. Yes.
So, little bit I'm curious. I would like to know why, ma'am, you are not be active.
Actually, it's my personal problem. You can say actually my father passed away, so I was not feeling well, and also I am not feeling nowadays good. But I thought, yeah, I should start because I can my time utilize for conversation, and I can continue because you know that consistency is very important for learning anything. So I skipped. So I realized, yeah, I have forgotten everything. But then yesterday, day before yesterday, I started.
Thank you so much for starting again your learning journey because I have been getting a lot of content of yours into my screen, but you were not active. Your previous content come to my my front screen. So yeah, little bit I was considering many of time about you and many learner who left out.
Yeah, you can understand because parents is a very the importance our life, and I didn't think that my father, yeah, he passed away very early. That's why, and my health is not good. Then even I deleted my Skype app, and I was not watching any video regarding English language because whenever your mind will be not uh, you know, set stable and you will not feel good. So that's why we can't talk anyone, we can't learn anything new.
Yeah, you are right, ma'am. I can understand the people situations, people difficulties. We are taking a lot of a pressure of responsibility, right? And it's a kinds of under pressure, right? And it will insist you a lot, bothering you a lot. It will spoil your mental peace, right? A lot of things are you going through in your life. I understand. So say something about
Okay, tell
as
me
you
you
mentioned, ma'am.
how is going on your English journey and your YouTube
Yeah,
channel.
ma'am. Yeah, if I discuss about myself, so ma'am, it has been going since when I started till now, and yeah, everything is going on smoothly, I would say. And I think I would say like nowadays I'm getting a varieties of people, ma'am, are included at different kinds of places. Okay, so
And
yeah,
also
you
your
can.
English has been improved. Your English has been lots of improved.
Oh, really? Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. I think after
Okay.
7 months I'm talking to you, so that's why I know it's
Yeah, you are right,
it's-
ma'am. Yeah,
so
I
what
mean,
are
I
you
think,
doing
ma'am, no.
apart from learning English?
Okay. Apart from learning English, I'm a teacher in private school. You already know about me. So,
Yes, I know, but I forgot. Sorry for that. Actually, we have talked, yeah, different person, you know that. So that time, we sometimes I confused. Yeah, I know you very well, and I have talked twice, thrice times with you. But
Yeah.
yeah, I forgot that what are you doing?
Yeah, actually, no, I still actually I'm a teacher in private school, and nowadays I'm taking as a seasonal with the learner and sharing my experience, my strategy, ideas included of spoken English, so they can utilize their time to improving self.
Okay, so do you teach English subject in your school?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. So I think it's good for you, so you can talk with your student in a good way in English language.
Yeah, but ma'am, like taking teaching as a student in a primary class, it's not that much easy, to speak with people, to speak with your students this way, because they are quite habitual of their native language. They are quite,
Yeah,
comfortable by having all the statement of this through their own native language, not by this language. So I don't talk to by this language.
yeah, I can understand. Also, I teach in primary school, but you know that yeah, we can use small sentences. So, what are you doing? Come here, sit down. Because we know that very well, English is very necessary for us. So, being a teacher, we can understand that yeah, our students, yeah, they can understand. They can speak not long sentence, but small sentences they can speak. So, whenever I teach my students, so I try to talk. With them in English language, not long sentence, only small sentences. So nowadays they can understand very well, and I am very happy that they reply to me in English language sometimes.
Yeah, what is your mother's name? I'm asking, and in
Yeah,
returning, I
basic
also get
conversation.
answer. Yeah.
Yeah. Because you know that we know very well. Right now, I'm learning English. I realize no, English is very important for me. So definitely, when my student they will be grown up, they will go other schools. Yeah, they want to be anything. So that's time it's requirement for them. Then I decided, no, I will learn English, but as well as I will teach my student in a small sentences. Yeah, who is curious for learning this language. So I said that if you want to, anyone, it's girls, boys, anyone, yeah, if they want to learn English with me, so I can give time with them every day, 10 minutes, 20 minutes.
Yeah, you're right, ma'am. Because if we are providing a like an environment, around the students, so students are also can influence, right? They can motivate, right? So it's a better to just create an environment around your kids, around your students, that would be much good for them, right?
Yeah. You know that all students they don't focus these things, but some people students, if I talk about only I think in my class, one class on 30-35 students, only curious, 4-5 students they want to learn this language. Yeah, it's a good, not all.
Yeah, ma'am. Because this is a as a consider of the villager, it's a quite tough language for them, not
Right,
a
there
piece
is
of
no
cake.
environment, that's why.
So it's quite difficult for them, to adopting this language into their life and using with their colleagues and with their partners, right? It's a quite tough. But we have to realize them how precious this language for their develop skills, right? Their growth, their future. It's our responsibility being a teacher in a school, right?
Right, right.
So, ma'am,
And so that,
one
yeah,
question I want.
yeah,
Mhm.
you can ask.
Yeah. So, one question I would like to ask you, ma'am, like when did you embark your journey, your learning journey again?
Again, it's day before yesterday I started.
Okay, yesterday. So
Yes.
now everything is good, ma'am. In your home, everything is okay.
That we have to change according to time. We can't survive our life in the past, and we can't forget our parents. I know that I was not feeling good. I was thinking I will not make video, but my siblings, my husband, also everyone said that no, you can continue, because if you talk, so you can change your mind, and then it's good for me. Then I realized, yeah, I also I should start this conversation.
Yeah,
So, so
right
whenever
suggestion,
I
yeah,
feel,
ma'am.
yeah. So right now I am not feeling well. So I thought, yeah, I can't sleep right now. So I thought, yeah, I will send message on group. Yeah, if anyone free, so I can talk. So random, I send
Yeah,
message. I was not preparing anything, and no, I don't want to go outside. So I thought, yeah, I should talk someone.
yeah, ma'am. I would say like the actually the right suggestion of your family towards this matter, because having interaction with a various kinds of person, we are going to aware a lot of fact which usually you are not aware now. Having issues in life, and it breaks you into a various part of it. So it's quite difficult to making a form of your own, right? So it's better to just discuss with our people and learning something new to hold yourself, right? To realize the fact. Yeah,
That whenever I uploaded my videos on my YouTube channel, so my father, yeah, he saw my video and he liked and comments on my comments box. So yeah, when I uploaded, yesterday one video on my YouTube channel, so I was feeling very regret. So I can't explain, but I was not feeling good.
yeah, ma'am. I understand your exact situation. It's quite difficult to convince self internal feeling, right? Because somehow we can, optimize self situationally, but our soul is not just like that. Our soul, it takes a lot of time to self optimize situationally, right? Our mind, our heart will never accept a sudden incident in life, right? It takes time, and you need to just change your thoughts.
That in this life, no one we forget their every relative who is not in this world. No one, everyone like love and remember. But yeah, we can't explain. We can't say all time. And right now, I'm talking to you. I'm sharing, but I don't want to share. But you asked, then I'm sharing. But I'm not feeling good.
Yeah, ma'am, I understand. Because having, spending time with our own family member, it's a kinds of, we build, some kinds of attachment with them, right? And after, after going away from our life, that attachment, it's a become a cause of paining a lot. It's a become a biggest pain inside of us, and it's bothering us about that incident, that memories. We spend a lot of beautiful times with them, and still I'm not having their existence around us. So the memory, it's become quite painful, right?
Yeah, because we can't believe. Also, I sometimes I can't believe that he is not with us, and because my friend, I live with my in-laws family, so sometimes I realize no, he is alive and he is his home. But yeah, okay, so we can change topic.
Yeah, ma'am, because we have to accept the fact of this universe. Everyone one day will go, right? Will be gone, and as soon as possible, as soon we accept the fact of universe, it gives us a very soon relief internally, and we can change our perspectives, right? The way we I see the things around us, it gives us a lot of peace, and establishing our career, right? And focusing self improvement soon, right?
Okay. So you know
So
that.
do not sad, I would say, ma'am.
Okay,
Yeah.
yeah, go ahead.
No, I was, ma'am, telling you, do not sad, okay? And try to just focus over your communication skill, which things gives you some peace, peace and amusement. Those things you do a lot because this is life. And in life, we are having unpredictable situations each and every second. So it's totally up to us, like how we have to optimize self accordingly and how we react by getting like that situation into our life. Because no one will support you, no one will help you. You will be there for yourself, and you will be responsible for taking each and every actions. Okay, yeah, in any situation into your life. So it's totally up to you how you take lightly or even very seriously of it. It's totally up to you.
Right. Yeah, you are right. I can understand very well. Okay, so